There are lists of thousands of vehicles that have been tweaked for speed, riveting performance, and exhilarating power that's built and tested to be taken to extremes. Due to the increasing number of millionaires and their treasured toys, this was definitely a wake-up call for the police forces to step up their game and to put a countermeasure leverage system into place by upgrading their state vehicles so that they aren't easily intimidated or outrun by the reckless speedsters on the move. We are to take a look at 10 of the best police cars in the world. Nissan Skyline GTR. Good old Japan can be given an award for their ability to swiftly develop and adapt to ever-changing times and situations, and we can gladly take our hats off for the national Japanese law enforcement. We immediately see a lot of scope when it comes to a masculine-defining car such as the Nissan Skyline, which is commonly known for its racing abilities, as made famous in the Fast and Furious movies as well. With regards to Japanese police fancying a turbocharged Skyline, as the name suggests, makes one feel on air with that amount of jet speed, and it's really no surprise to the world that the National Police Force of Japan would sport a Nissan GTR to their police car collection, as the Nissan franchise has been born, bred, and branded in the country itself, which is absolutely no doubt a remarkable thing to admire the Japanese for. Jaguar S-Type. Jaguar is a generally underestimated car and is misperceived by many around the world as being a more luxurious type of car fit for the average day-to-day businessman. The Royal Canadian Mounted Police found a great deal of potential in the Jaguar S, as it's another species of Jaguar on its own, come to think about it, due to boasting that 3-liter fuel-injected V6 under the hood, which spells an exceptional amount of power, which can push around 238 horsepower, and will sure come in handy when dealing with those petty usual day-to-day pullovers. Luckily for Canada though, car chases of extreme kinds happen very seldom. Italian National Polizia Vehicles. Italy is known for their Italian stallions, and you can be sure that they no doubt also have a va-va-voom of a car ready to chase after you at all costs and with a high possibility of actually apprehending you if you're a mafia boss on the run in Italia, or just a 2-bit speedster trying to drift on the curvy roads of Venice. Good luck in achieving that without being pursued by the Italian police force's homegrown and manufactured Lamborghini LP560 that literally spells high velocity and horsepower simply by its appearance, and this is besides the actual performance and speed of the car. The Lamborghini LP560 has been given as prized jewels by the company as gifts to the Italian police force, at which one of the two have unfortunately been totaled and written off due to reckless driving by both the civilian and police officer side. However, luckily, one is all it takes to do the job. Lamborghini Gallardo. The crime rate in South Africa is so high that police need help to catch criminals. But now, criminals can go nowhere while South Africa police got Lamborghini's most produced car, the Lamborghini Gallardo, added to their fleet. Having a 5.2-liter V10 engine, it costs around $248,000. Australian National Police Vehicles. The police force of Australia have not only made a name for themselves in terms of their training and other great things that make their law enforcement up to high standards, as the police mates of Australia also have something to offer in terms of their choice in police cars, which definitely would have landed them on the list of 10 best police cars in the world, simply due to their range over the skill of exclusivity. With a more unique blend than the rest, their class of police vehicles have been chosen by spec, model, and durability, as well as the type of power that the Aussies tend to want to push out from their happy chap spirits. United Kingdom Police Vehicles. On the streets of London, you can be sure to find a crime ring of gangs with their flashy luxury vehicles and other valuable sources, which is exactly why the United Kingdom Police has stepped up their game in police vehicles. And by this, we can see a vast range of them too. Some of the best police cars in the world are grounded on the lands of the UK. Firstly, their McLaren 12C, which is referred to as a supercar, really tops the gun around being a part of UK's police force, which to them would be a leader of the pack, and in actual fact. Other more common vehicles that are in the abundance of United Kingdom police would be the Jaguar XF and Lexus XDeech. Germany Police Force Vehicles. Germany has acquired a Brabus CLS rocket to their police car possession, which is a rally-type vehicle that can push maximum power from its V12 engine, even though in the appearance of the average million-dollar luxury family ride, which is actually rated as one of the most expensive cars in the world, and is also one of the best police cars. In this case, an excellent choice for police use, simply giving German police the ultimate edge and advantage in having a police vehicle that's rigged with state-of-the-art and sophisticated technology that comes standard, and also by having special law enforcement additions to it. United States National Police Force vehicles. USA has stocked up big this time with their undercover Nissan GTR, which can be referred to as the American Ghost, and is often ranked among the best police cars, since it rides in style and appears friendly as the Great Casper does, until it pulls up to make an arrest. Next up is Dodge Charger, Dodge Viper, and Ford Mustang, which is rather anticipated since the US police have used Fords and Dodges for a considerable amount of time because of their ability to withstand a considerable amount of damage on impact. After all, Dodge and Fords are hard bodies, which is perfect for when police cars need to ram against a felon's car in an enraged police chase. The American police force also has one of the world's best police cars, being the often underestimated and overlooked Chevy Corvette, as well as the Hummer H2, which is used in more hectic land operations. Dubai Police Force vehicles. BMW i8 is probably the latest in the German spec series, and yes, Dubai police have it as well as other fantastic luxury cars that are somewhat the highest of prices in the motor industry. The common trend that Dubai police have been keeping up to is particularly their love for supercars. The Dubai police force has the following cars: Lamborghini Aventador, Bentley, James Bond 007 famous Aston Martin, Ferrari FF, McLaren, Bugatti Veyron, Brabus AMG CG63, which is a combination of having the convenience of a luxurious vehicle for a smooth yet powerful ride, and a 4x4 for off-roading when criminals drive on the wrong side of the tracks. Ariel Atom Formula One car, the world's fastest police car. The newest 3.5R model to top it off, which can reach a staggering 60 miles per hour in just an unbelievable 2.5 seconds, which is freaking amazing and absolutely scary at the same time, since the amount of damage this thing would cause if not stopped in time could be equivalent to that of a bomb explosion. And no wonder they call it an atom. Definitely lives up to its name, which says it all.